come and sing along. Drawing a watermelon is easy and fun. Grab your black marker. Ready,
Welcome
set,
to
go.
Toddlers Art Hub.
Juicy watermelon and watch it grow. Draw, draw, draw with me. A happy watermelon you will see. Color, color, bright and sweet. A yummy fruit that's fun to eat. First draw a triangle nice and wide. That's the watermelon slice inside. Now draw a curved line down below, making the rind start to show. Draw, draw, draw with me. A happy watermelon you will see. Color, color, bright and sweet. A yummy fruit that's fun to eat. Now draw little seeds, 1, 2, 3. Sprinkle them all around with glee. 4, 5, 6, and maybe more. Seeds make watermelon fun for sure. Draw, draw, draw with me. A happy watermelon you will see. Color, color, bright and sweet. A yummy fruit that's fun to eat. Make the outline bold and strong. Trace around and sing along. Dark and neat from side to side. Now our drawing shines with pride. Time to color, what a treat. Let's
subscribe
make
my
our
channel.
watermelon
Please.
sweet. Fill the fruit so bright and red. It's green color, color the red around the edge.
A bottle green color.
A darker green looks cool instead. Black color, color the seeds we've drawn and spread. Color, color, bright and sweet. A yummy fruit that's fun to eat. Red and green for all to see. The best watermelon can be. Awesome
subscribe
job,
my
you did
channel.
it today.
Please,
Drawing
please,
and coloring all the way. Keep on creating, have lots of fun. Toddlers Art Hub loves everyone. Bye bye, little artist. Whee!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.